Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change the time on your iPhone. So first, you want to start by opening the settings application on your iPhone. Now once you are in the settings, you want to scroll down and select on general. Now from there, you want to click on the date and time. So this is where you can control how your iPhone handles the date, the time, and also the time zone. Now by default, your phone will usually set the time automatically. If you want to adjust it yourself, look for the set automatically and turn it off. Now, if you are unable to turn this option off, your iPhone may have restrictions that prevent you from changing the settings. Check those restrictions before continuing. After automatic time settings are disabled, click on the current time. You can now adjust the hours and the minutes manually. Next, choose the correct time and simply leave the menu. Your iPhone will use the new time that you selected. And that's how you do it.